Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Facebook marketplace if it's not showing up on your PC. So I'm gonna open up Google Chrome as my web browser and type in www.facebook.com, and hitting enter it will take me to the official site of Facebook. As you can see, my account is already logged in. Now to go to your marketplace, you can search it on the top bar of your Facebook page, and it is on the middle with this logo on. Click on it, and as you can see, this is the Facebook marketplace and it is loading fine on my browser. So if it's not loading for you, then you should try a different browser. So I'm going to try Opera GX browser for now and type in www.facebook.com. As you can see, even in this web browser my account is already logged in, and clicking on the marketplace, as you can see, it is working fine. So if you're still not loading, then you should go to your browser, clear browsing data, and you should clear all the cache and click on clear data. Then it would be working fine. If it's still not working for you, then you should turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again, or you should just restart your PC. Then your problem will be fixed. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.